Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fashionish. I have to film this at night. So I got some Shemodern Mail. And I like the sticky stamping polish. I really do. I already opened this. So I already took a few out. We'll get to those in a minute. Now, I don't know if it was the weather when one of these was delivered like months ago or whatnot. This unopened, as you can see, has kind of separated at the top no matter how I shake this. It's kind of separated and I don't know why. This is the opaque white. This is, ooh, let me get my glasses on. I know I have my other opaque white over here. And this is, no, that's the sealer. Oh, here it is. Sure, the lid matters. Okay, this one, you know I've used a lot. This is how this one looks, right? This one is separated at the top. And I haven't had it for too long. Now, could it have been because heat, cold, heat, cold, heat, cold, you know, like when we get stuff in the mail? Absolutely, it certainly can be. So I'm not saying it's Miss Tina. Now, I've had some others over here that kind of clumped, kind of like it coagulated. Let's put it that way. It coagulated, and it could just be the heat and the cold has kind of messed up the formula along the way. I will just say that because I have had some bottles that just, no matter how you shake them, they don't go back. So, is there anything I can do about that? No, there is not. So she's always having a $1 sale on something. So let me show you what I got. You know, my one stamper has like that little tear in it. I'm trying to figure it out. So I did get another one. And of course, when you get a jelly stamper, it does come with a scraper. Absolutely, it does. Now, some of my shimmery polishes did that clumpy thing. It did that clumpy thing. Some of so I had to throw them away. Like, they're useless. Some separated, some clumped, and I'm like, those are now useless. So, again, it could have been how the shipping went along. Do I trust our mail carriers anymore? No. If you saw my fabric mart video, you would know why I do not trust our mail carriers. Go back and find this. Rob found that that's how my box was in the mail of fabric. Glad you can't see the neighbor's address. Anyway, so if the mail carrier's gonna do that, do we trust them with anything? No. So anyway, let me get on to the colors that I have here. This is the Black Sparkle Diamond Sticky Stamping Air Dry Polish. So, at the time of filming this, I am at $799. Miss Jackie Russell, thank you for joining my channel. She's sweet. Anyway, you guys know I have some of the glitter polish. Do I want to give this one to someone or do I want to keep it? I might. Maybe. We'll think about that. Maybe. That'll go in the maybe section. Then next is the Just Glow Sticky Stamping This is sticky stamping polish. Now, I did have some, but like I said, it could be the weather, whatever. They separated. But I'm going to put that in there because I know I can always get more later or whatever. This is the sealer. I will put this in here. What? Yeah, I'm going to put those in there. This is opaque green. I don't think I had this one. I'll have to check. Opaque blue. Now, I had this one. I think I had two of this. And they both clumped. Like I said, it could be the weather or whatever. Because if you notice, I don't know if you've noticed on these are not separated, or one half doesn't look white and the other half with the color. That's why I'm saying our mail couriers may not be handling our products safely. So anyway, again, I got the stamper. I'll put this in here because I have enough scrapers. I do. I have enough scrapers. I might keep this though. I'm not sure. But if anybody's going to do sticky stamping, they might need that. So I think I will go ahead and put the green in here as well. So that means I am keeping 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things. Plus this, I'll put the stamper in here. If you know, you've seen the videos of why I have the extra, and it's about loyalty. It's about loyalty. It's like, if you are loyal to people and you're not a backstabber and you're not, like a lot of people out there in the world just use other people, right? Use and abuse other people. And that's not right, especially here on YouTube or any other platform where we try to have manners. Manners, that thing that people used to have. I'll go ahead and put these over here. I remember back in the day when people actually used to use manners, that thing. Instead of thinking that they're all better than everybody else. Yeah, that thing. So anyway, I was also looking at some of my older hollow taco nail polish, like this. I've had this for a couple of years, and this, my friends, has never separated. Look at that. It goes back. So I'm kind of wondering, is it just the difference? I mean, Hollow Taco is just your basic nail polish, right? Love the stuff. Wish I could afford it again. Maybe I'll have to put money aside for that. But, like I said, take in mind, unopened, as you can see, the plastic had separated. And I did not like the fact that that had separated. And because there's like a slight yellow tinge at the top of this, I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, an open bottle, like I said, it could just be the mail couriers. So anyway, and my friend Kayla is the one that got me so super interested in nail art stamping. And then out there in the community of nail art, you got My Nails More by Jonna, you have Kay Lilla, you have Pandora Muse 57 Nails, you have Nail Stampology, that's Sandra, and many more out there that just like these ladies, for the most part, are actually caring and, you know, not try to get into pushing other people around, if that makes some sort of sense to you, because there are a lot of people on YouTube that try to do that. But you know what? Everybody out there should stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I don't know what's up with that bottle and the other ones, but that's okay. Things are replaceable later on in budget. In budget. That's why there's always a dollar sale here and there. So anyway, I'm tired. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye. It's freaking hot in the house today. Hope you're staying cool.